Yeah, was good. This Big Stephen Regals. Just woke up, tired than a motherfucker, but I gotta do 500 push-up, 60 pull-up, 360 sit-up, something like that. I don't want to do it, but I need to do it, and this how I get up and get to functioning proper, to get it in. My motherfucking secret to working out and lifting weights when you ain't want to do it. I want to get high. I got a whole shit ton of pot and hash. I can just get high and kick it. I ain't gotta go work. I ain't gotta do shit. That's what I'm finna do. So, here comes the magic.
We gotta expand. Collaboration. Distribution.
See what's happening?
New York. Chicago.
They tired, right? Suddenly they're not feeling so tired no more.
Cocaine mafia, 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 cocaine mafia, cocaine mafia, cocaine mafia, 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 cocaine mafia, cocaine mafia, cocaine mafia, 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 cocaine mafia.